What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Steel City Storm. That right, boys?
That's right.
They're tearing it on down. Me and my brother out here taking a quick look at it. People's asked me about it. I've seen other people doing it, and you know we got to get it. Colonial antiques, yep. Sure enough, aren't they?
They don't make bricks like that no more. People are looking for that stuff to build houses and stuff with. That's exactly what they're doing. Yep. Shot. Look at those shots. That's right. So,
Hey. What's up, everybody?
ooh,
Looky.
see?
We're looking for remnants. We just like looking.
I already got a
Look at this.
Hey, Tony already got me a couple bricks.
Look.
Oh, yeah, column.
On the columns.
That's all up there.
Yeah. Incredible. Where was those ones?
There's another one right there.
Yeah.
Look, along the windows, they're all cracked. Look at this.
So here's where I came for. Look at this stuff like that.
Look right here. What's left of it, guys? So far, we're tearing it down. See, look at up there. Look at all those windows. Harps and stuff. Height. That's one of those that come off that it's above those windows right there, man.
Right here, bro. Look at that. There's an opening.
Here, bro.
Let's just walk right there.
It's nuts.
This is better than it was when it was when it was up.
Yeah.
You get a close-up look at things. It had to come down. It was terrible conditions. Where's that face at? This?
Upside down.
This?
Yeah, look underneath it. Look at that.
You can see under it right there too.
Yep.
Corner piece right there.
Go through that.
Okay, so here's the stairs. Here's the front of it, been right here, right? Here's a piece. I know this is a good time to get it, huh? Look, it's got the staple on it. Look, the stamp. See that? Wow. I got to take a look, man. We already in, man. I can get in. You'll never get in again. There's another column. They said, get out of there. I said, all right, bye. Brother. Off floor right here. See everything from this. Come on. It's one shot, brother. One shot.
Watch this Still See Storm.
Hi everybody, this is the Lady Storm. This is Carrie. We want to make sure you hit that like and subscribe to the Steel City Storm.
Isn't that right, Carrie?
Yes, hit that like and subscribe.
Tell us see you next video.
See you next video.